Today we will be discussing about three major problems Earth is facing and what business opportunity we have to solve these three problems. First problem, infectious disease. Second problem, water crisis. Third problem, extreme weather conditions. The first one, infectious disease. Let us understand this problem with one example. Let us take the case of corona. Because of COVID-19, everyone is suffering. We are having a pandemic situation. Many lives are lost because of this. Now, what was the root cause of corona? What was the root cause of this infection? Simple. It started by indiscriminate killing of animals. Not just corona, there are many such diseases like SARS, swine flu, Ebola, and many more, which started with killing of animal. So here in this case, corona started because of killing of bats and eating them. What is the possible solution? Are we going to face more such problems? One solution I can see is we can think of minimizing our meat eatings. For example, people start eating meat indiscriminately and it causes problem. As a result of that, hundreds and thousands and lakhs of lives are lost. There is one way that we can minimize eating, minimize indiscriminate killing, then only this can be stopped. Okay, some people may say it is very difficult to stop eating meat. Okay, for them, there are many companies are there which are producing substances, food which tastes similar to meat. Recently, Ritesh Deshmukh launched one company which mimics the taste of meat. In fact, he is a vegetarian. There are many celebrities who are vegetarian. And just to make others get the taste of meat, those who could not control, he launched this company. So we have two possible solutions here. First, make people aware about the bad effect of meat and make them eat less of meat or give up meat. Or those who cannot control, there are alternative companies which provide taste of meat, like Alternative Meats by Ritesh Deshmukh. This is one solution for this. Then let us discuss the second problem, water crisis. What is water crisis? We see that in many places in India, people are dying. The farmers commit suicide because of scarcity of water. In Maharashtra, many farmers die because their land is completely dry, they don't get water, and there is no product, and hence they cannot survive. Similarly, in summertime, we hear that many metro cities like Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, all these places find it very difficult to get water. What is the problem then? Every year, the water level is going down and down. Water problem is increasing day by day. Then what is the possible solution? One possible solution is we can conserve rainwater, that is rainwater harvesting. All the homes can be designed to harvest rainwater. This is one idea we can cultivate. Second is plant more and more trees. The moment we start planting more and more trees, then water starts accumulating, rain becomes regular. Even there are many cases where because of plantation, rivers have those dried up rivers have started flowing again. Okay, so planting trees. Then there is one more solution we have. For example, places like Chennai are located near sea, Bay of Bengal. We can convert the saline water of Bay of Bengal and we can make it potable water. For example, Many countries like Israel is doing that, converting salt water to potable water. So that is another solution we have. The next problem we have is the extreme weather condition problem. Every year, the temperature of this globe is increasing by some or the other degree. It is never decreasing. What is the consequence of this increase? Because of that, snow caps in the North Pole, in the South Pole are melting, and as a result of that, sea level water is increasing, and the temperature of Earth increases by some degree every year. It is problem not just for our survival, but for the existence of this world. If the world is submerged in water, first thing, the animals, plants which survive in ice region will be destroyed. Then second thing, many islands will be submerged and coastal areas will be submerged. This is the problem. What solution do we have? Again, we need to reduce temperature. That is one solution we have. For that, what we can do? The best solution, planting trees. By planting trees, our temperature is regulated. Okay. Then another solution we have is reduce the pollution. Some factories produce a lot of smokes, pollutants, which in turn increases the temperature. We can work on reducing pollution. The best solution here will be plantation. So any business idea out of it is we can think of starting a company which help such pollutant companies to plant trees, maintain plants in those areas, and give them some kind of certificate, green certificate, that they are contributing in plantation. In summary, there are many problems we are currently facing. I took three problems. First one, infectious disease. Second one, water crisis. Third problem, extreme weather condition. So these are the concerning problems we are facing and are going to face for the long term. We should tackle this problem in a systematic scientific way. We have so many opportunities to solve this problem. Only thing is we have to think about it, not just the current present problems. We have to think long term. Then only we will have some solution.